Getting answers to your immigration questions. Let's go to Angela. Now you're married to an American citizen. Now you have to file an adjustment of status application. That's an I-485, an I-130, and you're applying to get your green card. And you're immediately eligible for your green card because you're married in a bona fide marriage. And we're going to talk about what a bona fide marriage is in a second. But you're immediately eligible for your green card. So you're going to file for your green card. It's called an adjustment of status. You're immediately eligible. While you are waiting for your adjustment interview, you can also simultaneously apply for a work permit. So you can get a work permit within a few months. With that work permit, you would get a social security number. You can go apply for a driver's license. You can go apply for a job. You can also apply for something called advance parole. Advance parole is a travel document. It's a document that allows you to travel back to Canada to go deal with your stuff, your car, your home, your life there, and then come back and be allowed back in America to finish your adjustment to get your green card in Los Angeles. So you're going to do, number one, you're going to wait 90 days. Number two, you're going to get married. Number three, you're going to file an adjustment with a work permit and advance parole. So you can work legally and then you can travel legally. And then you're going to wait about a year for an interview for a green card. And at that interview, they're going to interview you. Are you and your spouse in a bona fide marriage? What is a bona fide marriage? It's a legal term. It says, did you marry for love or you married to get a green card? And what the government says, how you prove you're married for love, is you got to prove you and your spouse live together in the same home. At the end of the day, you go to work, he goes to work, or you go to school, or whatever you do. You walk around the block 100 times, but at the end of the day, you and him are in the same home, sleeping in the same bed at the end of the night. And then you also have to prove that not only do you share the same home, but you share a financial relationship. So what is a financial relationship? Do you have a bank account together? And the income you earn and the income your husband earns goes into that bank account. And out of that bank account, you pay all the debts of the marriage. So you live together, you have a financial relationship, you've now proven a bona fide marriage. Congratulations, you have your green card.
Really? Because, like, I know, sorry, I didn't want to take too much of your time. Because, like, I knew, like, Canadians have 6 months here or up to 6 months. And I was going to stay 6 months and then go back home. But then with COVID, you still don't know what's going to happen.
Right.
Now, with regards to what you just finished explaining to me,
and by the way, the reason why I said go get married, and you don't have to, is if you guys are so in love with each other that you gave up your job to be with him, well, then you might as well go get married at this point. I mean, you gave up your life in Canada for him.
Technically, did. Yeah, I'm paying off all my stuff back home. But in regards to this bona fide marriage and stuff like that, I mean, back home, I had him on, like, my insurance through work, just in case if he ever came to visit.
Right.
And as I had him as, like, I don't know what it's called. Like, if you die, then the money goes to whoever.
It's called life insurance.
Yeah, life insurance. Right. I had that through work, and I had him on that at work, and him as, like, my family emergency contact and all that stuff.
That's all proof that you're in a bona fide marriage and had a financial relationship, but all of that's in Canada. So now he's gonna have to do all that for you here in America.
Oh, okay.
Right.
So, like, even if I had copies of all that,
it's certainly evidence of something that you're in a relationship, but you're gonna have to still do that all here in America as well.
Okay. And even if I sent him money back and forth too, like, could that count as well?
That could count that you sent him money. That can go both ways, to be frank with you. One, it could show you guys are in a relationship and you have a financial relationship. It could also show you're paying him money to get married to get a green card. Depends on how you look at it.
Oh.
All right. So I don't think that's the greatest evidence. I think the greatest evidence is you and him live together. You have a financial relationship in America. You have a bank account in America. Your money, his money is in that bank account, and you're paying your bills. That's the best. That's the best relation. That's the best evidence.
Okay.
All right.
Perfect. Well, thank you.
Congratulations and good luck. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.